Have you ever, tried to explain something really complex to someone and they just didn't get it? Or maybe worse, they got it, but then did something completely unhinged because of, one poorly worded phrase?
Oh, definitely. Happens all the time.
Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because welcome to the wild world of trying to talk to the most advanced AI on the planet.
Yeah. It's a whole new ball game.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into the GPT-5 prompting guide, essentially, the secret handbook to getting this incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly finicky AI to do exactly what you want.
Right. It's about taming the beast, so to speak.
We'll uncover how to control its eagerness, make it code like a boss, and avoid those awkward moments where it gets too smart for its own good,
Yeah, those perfectly logical but totally wrong moments.
You're tuned in to the Swetlana AI podcast, episode 245.
Great to be here.
And hey, don't be a stranger. Hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. It helps us keep doing these deep dives.
Definitely helps.
Okay, let's get into it. This isn't your grandma's chatbot, right? GPT-5 is a pretty substantial leap.
Oh, absolutely. We're talking raw intelligence, agentic tasks, that ability to break down goals and actually do stuff autonomously.
And coding. People are raving about the coding.
Yeah, the coding capabilities are seriously impressive. It's like it ingested the entire internet's worth of code and, became sentient.
Huh. But here's the hot take, maybe. It's so damn good, it actually requires better prompting from us.
That's exactly it. Think of it as a brilliant, maybe slightly neurotic assistant.
Okay.
If you don't give crystal clear directions, it might overthink things or underthink them or just, do something completely unexpected.
And it'll have perfect internal logic for doing it based on our garbled instructions.
Precisely, which is why this guide is so important. It's less about the AI, more about us learning to communicate effectively with the AI.
So controlling its eagerness, as the guide puts it, its mood swings.
Kinda, yeah. Sometimes you just needed to get straight to the point, not write a dissertation.
Right, cut the fluff.
So you can actually dial down its reasoning, Jefford. Think of it like a volume knob for how much it thinks or explores different paths.
Ah, okay. Less thinking, faster answer.
Basically, reduces the depth, speeds it up. You can even set a tool call budget. Like tell it, look, buddy, maximum of 2 tool calls, then just give me an answer, even if it's not perfectly correct. Just get it done, for heaven's sake.
Okay, that's actually super useful for quick stuff, but what about the opposite? When you want it to be this persistent, autonomous beast.
Then you crank that reasoning effort way up.
Go forth in conquer mode.
Exactly. You tell it, never stop or hand back to the user when you encounter uncertainty research or deduce the most reasonable approach and continue.
Wow.
And crucially, do not ask the human to confirm assumptions. Basically, you're saying, don't bother me unless the house is literally on fire.
And even then, try the fire extinguisher first.
Pretty much. Just handle it.
Which, leads to this paradox the guy talks about. GPT-5 follows instructions so precisely.
Yeah, with surgical precision.
That our contradictory or just plain vague prompts become its kryptonite. That healthcare assistant example is hilarious.
Oh, I know the one. It says, never schedule without explicit consent.
Right, but then also says auto-assign the earliest slot without contacting the patient.
And the AI just stalls.
Right.
It gets stuck trying to figure out what the hell you actually want, burning through its reasoning capacity.
Trying to reconcile our human nonsense.
Exactly. It's a huge aha moment, isn't it? The problem isn't always the AI. It's often us and our badly written requests.
So yeah, review your prompts, really review them. Damn.
Your AI's performance kind of depends on it.
Okay, let's talk coding, because GPT-5 is supposed to be a monster at this,
Yeah.
building whole apps.
It really can be. And the guide has this amazing trick, making it self-reflect.
How does that work?
You give it a prompt, but first you tell it to think deeply about every aspect of what makes, say, a world-class app in that category.
Okay, like a prep step.
Exactly. Then you have it create a rubric, like 5-7 criteria, for its own internal use.
Oh, interesting.
And then you tell it to internally think and iterate on the code until it scores top marks against its own rubric.
Whoa, it's like asking a genius to grade their own homework and keep redoing it until it's an A+I.
Precisely. And it's not just theoretical. The guide mentions how Cursor, the AI code editor, tuned it.
What did they do?
Well, they found it could be generally verbose, but sometimes the code itself was too terse, hard to read.
Right.
So they tweaked it, reduced general chattiness, but specifically told it to be highly verbose when writing the actual code comments and structure.
So getting that balance right between concise and informative.
Yeah, it really shows you can steer it quite finely if you know how.
So I guess what have we learned here? GPT-5 is, a beast, an incredibly powerful tool.
No doubt.
But you're the one holding the leash, understanding its little quirks, knowing how to manage its eagerness with things like reasoning effort.
And just the absolute necessity of writing clear, non-contradictory prompts.
That seems to be the shortcut to actually getting good results and, getting some actual work done with it.
It really is. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? As this AI gets smarter and smarter, is the real bottleneck going to be AI intelligence or human clarity? Our ability to actually say what we mean.
Maybe we're the actual wild card in this whole equation. That's something to think about.
Definitely food for thought.
All right. Go forth, experiment with those prompts. And for more deep dives like this one, remember to subscribe to Swetlana AI Podcast.
And leave us a comment. Let us know how you're finding GPT-5.
Catch you next time.